Okay. Hi, I am Lao Ying Ying. Now I will discuss my part. At first, I define the historic stat.h first and use the normal standard library to coding. And next is struct state node. Variable item is initialized as string type and pointer to the next node. In the class history state, in private member, let the state node pointer to the top of state will start as null pointer. A public member, the constructor is sent as the class name and include push string function to add item to top, pop function to remove top item, and its empty function is used to check if state is empty. Next, in history state CPP, we include the historic state.h file, and we can see the constructor function. We initialize the top equal to loop pointer, and the next function is the push, and we create new node to place it on top and connect new node to previous top. We can see the pop function remove and return the top item free memory of remove node. And the last is empty function returns true if the state is empty. Okay, now we see the output. We run the system first. We can see this is our system main page. We contain the admin panel and customer portal and the exit button. So now we enter 1 to see the admin panel. Okay, this one is admin menu. We can do like add new product, view all products, sort products by price, and the last is return to the main menu. So now we want to add new product, and we can enter like the fruit name, like banana, and the price we set as 3 ringgit 30 cents, and we can see the product add successfully. Okay, we add until 3 products. So we enter the 1 again. Now, three product is added successfully, so we enter 2 to see the all product. We can see the available product of like orange, apple, and banana. And we sort the product from lowest to highest. We check again by enter 2. Now we can see apple is the lowest price at the top, and the second is orange with 2 ringgit, and the last one is banana with 3 ringgit 30 cents. Now we return to the main menu. We enter to see the customer product. We enter 1 to browse the product available in the store. We can see the previous one product we enter. And now I will do the purchase product. So I choose the orange. The ID is 3. So we can see the orange has been added to the order. So we view the order queue first. We can see in order, orange already inside. Now we do the under last purchase. You can see the last purchase, orange has been undone. So we check the state is empty or not. So we press the 3. So here is no purchase to undo. We exit the customer portal and exit the system. Thanks for watching.
For product list, we have product.h and product.cpp. The purpose is to manage a linked list of products where each product has an ID, name, and price. For struct product, each product represents one item with ID name of the product for the string name, sold price, which is a price in RM, and for this section is for pointer to the next product. For the class product list, this part points to the first product in the list. And for this, keep track of the product ID lah. At the product CPP, this part, it assigns a unique ID, take user input for name and price, add it to the beginning of the linked list, and display the confirmation. For this part, void product list, it will traverse the linked list and print each product info. If list is empty, it will show a message. For stream product list, search the list for a product with a matching ID, and it will return the name if found. Otherwise, return an empty string. For this part, return to the pointer to the first product in the list. For order queue, the purpose is to manage customer orders using a queue, which is FIFO, first in, first out. For the struct order node, it represents one order in the queue. The store is item, the product name order, and for the next, which is pointer to the next order. For this class order queue, for the front, it will point to the first order in the queue. And for the rear, point to the last order in the queue. At the order queue.cpp, for this part, it will create a new order node with the given item. And if the queue is empty, both front and rear point to the new node. Otherwise, add the node at the end and update rear. For this part, traverse the queue from front to the rear and display each other item. And if empty, it will show a message.
This function, I implemented a simple sorting algorithm to arrange products in ascending orders based on their price. The function named sort products takes a reference to product list, which is singly linked list to product nodes. The sorting is done using nested loop approach similar to bubble sort algorithm. I use two pointers. I use I and J to compare each product price. If the price of the product at its I is greater than the price at J, I swap their data that includes the product's name, price, and ID. For swapping, I use the C++ standards, which is swap function, to ensure that values are exchanged correctly. After all comparisons are done, the list is sorted from lowest to highest price. This approach is straightforward and effective for a small to medium-sized list. At the end of the function, a message is printed to confirm the sorting process is complete. Next, this is the SortH header file. It acts as an interface for the sorting functionality in my program. At the top, we have include guards, which is if that, define, and if. This prevents the file from being included multiple times, which could otherwise cause redefinition errors during the compilation. Next, we include the product hash header because the sorting function works on the product list data structure defined in that file. Finally, we declare the sort products function. This declaration tells the compiler that a function with this name signature exists and can be used in any file that includes SortH. This actual logic or implementation of this function is written separately in sortcpp file actually. Thank you.
My name is Tan Yixiang. Now I will be presenting main.cpp. Okay, for header, include IOStream, product.h, order create.h, history stack.h, shop.h. IOStream is for input output operation. Product.h is for manage product related function. For example, add display, get name, ID. Order query.h is for handle the query for customer order. History stack.h is for store the history of purchase. Shop.h is for short products list likely by price or other criteria. For admin menu, product list, and product list, it allows admin to manage product. Add new products, call add product method, view all product, shows all time via display products, sort products by price, use short products, return, exit admin menu loop. Customer menu, customer operation like viewing, buying, undoing, and checking order queue. Browse product, call display products, purchase product, ask for product ID, get product name by ID using get product name. Invalid add to order queue to and history. Undo last purchase. Use pop from history stack if not empty. View order queue. Show current queue order using display. Return exit back to main menu. Function main controller of the app. Create object instance for product, order queue, and purchase history. Present the main menu, admin panel, call admin menu, customer portal, calls customer menu, exit terminates the program. Summary, admin manage product, add view and shop. Customer can view products, purchase a product, add to queue and history, undo last purchase, and view current orders. All data is handled via custom classes, for example, product list, order queue, and history stack. That's all from me. Thank you.